Good afternoon, folks. Grandpa Greenwald here. Today we're making some soft tacos for dinner. Started out, I put some cooking oil in the pan and about a half a red onion and about a teaspoon of garlic from the jar in the fridge. This kind of be a quickie thing for me. So anyway, I stewed that down for a little while, and then I added the ELK and cooked that for about 10 minutes to get the ELK kind of browned and kind of gelled, and then I drained that grease and the cooking oil off. So I'm back to a basic. I mean, I just dumped the pan. I didn't drain it in a colander, but got a lot of that fat out of there. Then we added the canned tomatoes, and the canned enchilada sauce, um, and stewed them down for about 25 minutes. That's all it takes. Put your tacos together any way you like them. I have onions in with the meat and the sauce, so I'm not going to add any onions. I'll just add a little lettuce and sour cream. Um, you'll see in the video there that I got a little cup of salsa. That just so happened to come when we bought the tortillas um, at the tortilla factory. They come with a little jar of salsa. So people ask me, why do you always use elk? Well, I use elk because I got lots of elk. Also, I'm cooking for myself, and I enjoy eating elk, so there's no sense doing anything else. One last thing is, you'll see me with the canned goods. You'll never see me use canned goods and add salt to the dish. The canned goods bring enough sodium as it is, so that's why I don't do that. Enjoy! Time to eat.